Make a great choice today with
The 2021 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.